So you can't just there's no easy button. You can't just hit a button and then suddenly everything's magically fixed. It's not gonna it doesn't work that way. So I do see it eventually helping us out, but a larger issue is that we were already like 50% manned before they even start firing people and laying people off and all the craziness that they've been doing with Doge and continuing to do, by the way. So there's a lot going on with that one. There's no way he could have predicted this one. He says cybersecurity remains a bipartisan issue. It is more likely that enterprising litigants may file challenges to the Looper Bright over. Yeah, I don't know. I think it's nobody agrees on how to do cybersecurity until there's a breach and until some leader is embarrassed because they got attacked and lost a bunch of information. So we'll see how that one goes by the end of the year. Next prediction he made: EU is heading into a period of regulatory enforcement. Very true. That's exactly what's happening. EU has leaned heavily into the EU AI Act. I think this stuff was already happening when in the beginning of the year and the end of 2024. So he's just going in that direction. And there's some other predictions here. I am going to open this up to questions, but thank you guys so much for joining me. I really appreciate it. If you guys have any kind of comments or you want to join me, you can come on here. We can hear your voice or see your face. This one is a little bit different. Let's let me go into some of the comments here. I'm gonna start with TikTok since we got some TikTok folks on here. Let me see here if it'll. Okay, there we go. Okay, let's see here. Anybody here on TikTok? Let's see here.